He trained here. He sweated here. He became Mr. Tiger right here. And now, you asked for it. The dojo is back, restored to its original 70s glory, with rare memorabilia from Mr. Tiger, jaw-dropping artifacts from fans, and the iconic ambulance from 1977, right where it belongs. Don't miss your chance to stand where this legend trained for battle.
Well, friends, it is a banner day. It is a banner day indeed. The Tigerman Karate Dojo and Museum by Spa Guy is now open, and I am so happy to announce that for you today. We're not here to compete. We're here to complete your Memphis history experience. When you come here, Mr. Tiger, the king of rock and roll, practiced karate inside this building, and the most famous karate photo ever taken of him was taken right here. So you got to come see where it happened at. And I'm going to leave you with this. Genesis 50:20, what man meant for harm, God meant for good. The Tigerman Karate Dojo and Museum by Spa Guy. Tighten up and get down here right now.
Experience the history. Tigerman Karate Dojo and Museum by Spa Guy. 1 mile from the most famous mansion in